How to change Shopify domain name. So in this video, I'll be guiding you step by step on how to exactly change your Shopify domain name. So let's start. So once you've logged into Shopify account, right on the bottom left, you're going to want to select settings. Go ahead and select settings, and then you're going to want to select the option for domains in the settings menu. Go ahead and select domains. So now that you arrive to the domains page, you'll have a few options on how to change your Shopify domain from here. So you can either connect an existing domain. So if you bought maybe a recently domain, right, like on Hosting or GoDaddy, right, you could go ahead and enter the domain name here, and then it will generate some DNS records that you could go ahead and paste into your domain provider. But let's say you want to buy a new domain, right? Shopify has an option to buy a new domain within Shopify. So you'll be able to buy the domain here, right? And search for the right one and then buy it. And one of the benefits about this is that it will connect it to your online store automatically once you buy the domain. But let's say you don't want to use Shopify domain, right? And you want to use something like Hostinger, right? I'll have the link for them in the description below, where you'll be able to save a couple of bucks as well for the first year. So once you locate a domain that you want to buy, right, you could go ahead and see how much each domain is going to cost for the first year. So if you don't want to pay, let's say, $20 for a first year domain, right, like on Shopify, right, then you could go ahead and pay maybe $1 if the domain is ending in .com, right? Or maybe you want to buy a domain like that has store at the end, right, but you don't want to pay $9 for the first year. You can actually pay only $1 if you use Hostinger and if you use the link in the description below, right? And then of course it's going to cost you about $55 a year to renew after after the first year, right? And Shopify is going to cost you about $52 a year after that, so only about $2 or $3 difference right there. So again, I'll have a link for them if you want to use something more affordable like Hostinger, right, for your domain when you're buying a Shopify domain for your store. So that's it for now, guys, and if you guys have any questions, comment down below and I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have.